6 Proven Radon Mitigation Techniques for Masonry Foundations. Protect your clients with these professional installation methods. Swipe to learn more. Close foundation openings. Seal wall gaps. Use polyurethane caulk for cracks. Patch floor openings. Apply hydraulic cement to larger holes. Trap floor drains. Install water traps. Prevent soil gases from entering. Seal drain connections. Close pathways to soil. Maintain trap water. Ensure continuous seal. Manage sump pumps. Install airtight cover. Must withstand pressure while allowing pump operation. Connect exhaust pipe. Route 3 inches PVC pipe from sump to outside. Add inline fan. Install fan rated for continuous operation. Exhaust foundation air. Create vent points. Install ports in foundation walls. Connect ductwork. Route to exterior exhaust point. Add powered fan. Minimum 80 CFM capacity. Install HRV systems. Balanced ventilation. Supply fresh air while exhausting contaminated air. Heat exchange. Recover 70 to 80% of heat energy from exhaust air. Continuous operation. Run at low speed 24 hours 7 days for consistent protection. Sub-slab depressurization. Core concrete. Create diameter 4 to 6 inches hole through slab. Extract soil. Create suction pit beneath slab. Install piping. Connect to 3 to 4 inches PVC exhaust. Add radon fan. Rated for continuous duty. Protect your clients from radon hazards. Proper installation ensures effective mitigation, reducing radon levels by up to 99%. Tag another contractor who needs these tips.